This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm back with another 90-second update. I just got finished cataloging all of these, mostly fruit trees, and there are a couple of grapevines in here, and also a couple of blueberry bushes. I've taken pictures of all these. This way I can identify which containers need to go in the garage in the fall. I don't have to guess. I don't have to worry about what I can leave out. I just basically go to the folder, click on it, and it shows me everything that I have to take in. It's way better than my old method of using these little things here that fade on me, and I end up missing a few, and sometimes they die on me. So that's my little quick update for today. This is going to make my life a lot easier. I have a lot of pots. This is a small percentage of them. So on to the next project. This is the Frugal Gardener. You guys enjoy your day, and don't forget, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from.